Hello again. Today we've got a Holden Barina TK 1.6 litre and it's come in for a engine light on, dead misfire. We're not even going to really look at the codes. We're just going to go straight out. We're going to do a couple of simple tests. We're going to do a relative compression test with the Ditex CarScope eye tester. And if that passes, we're going to look at the ignition waveforms with my GTC505 and determine where to go from there. So let's go give that a go. Okay guys, we've got the eye tester hooked up. We are not syncing it because we're just going to check it, and if there is something down then we will do a sync. So let's go compression, unsync, cylinder 4, start. I have disconnected the fuel pump fuse, so that's why I'm sitting above the fuse box. So let's just start this. I'll go over and start cranking it. This will want to start for a second, then hopefully if I hold it out. Keep cranking, keep cranking, keep cranking. Stop. Relative compression is very good. So let's move on. Here we are with a dead misfire. You can see it running like a bag of crap. First thing we're going to do now that we know the compression's good is we're going to use our GTC505. See if we can see what's going on with this spark. Alright, that one looks good. That also looks good. That also looks good when I hold it in the right spot. How about this one? Nothing. Bingo. Absolutely nothing. We have got a short external to the cylinder here and nothing else happening, which is indicating a short somewhere, either in this coil or in the spark plug itself. So it doesn't take long to pull this little rail off, so I'll unplug it and we'll have a look inside. Alrighty, we got the plug out of it at a number 4 there. Visually it looks good. Just get a multimeter, make sure it's not shorted. If it is, we know we need a new plug. If it isn't, then we know we need a new coil assembly. Alright guys, what we're going to do is we are going to check this for resistance. Okay, we can see that that's good. We'll make sure it's not shorted. Definitely not shorted. Make sure that this has got good resistance. Just hold that properly. Sorry, I'm blocking that completely. And that's good also. So this plug is good. So what I'll do is I'll swap number 3 and number 4 plugs just to prove to you that there's nothing wrong with this plug. Alright guys, so just to prove 100% my multimeter tester wasn't lying, I've swapped plug number 4 to plug number 3 and plug 3 to 4. So we're going to get the GTC505 again, check number 3 that has number 4 plug, working perfectly. Check number 4 that has number 3 plug, still horrible. We know there's a fault with this ignition coil assembly. So before we make the call, we're going to back probe. Well, hopefully from the wiring diagram I can prove which one of these is actually the control for number 4. If I can't, I'll back probe all 4. We'll make sure there's computer control. If there is computer control, definitely needs an ignition coil assembly, and that's what it ought to be getting. So obviously we know the powers are there and we know the earths are there, otherwise the other 3 wouldn't work. We need to make sure that we have control for each cylinder. So problem is my wiring diagram doesn't tell me which one's which, so I'm in all 4 one at a time. We're going to check controls there. First one, control is there. Second one, control. Third one is going in now, control. Last one is going in now, control. There we go, that is 100% proof that this needs a new ignition coil assembly. Okay, so the brand new coil assembly has arrived. It's all plugged in, ready to test. So let's go over it and prove that we did the right thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Absolutely perfect. So I did actually film the rest of this video previously before I put the new coil assembly in. I wasn't sure how quick I was going to get it. So when I cut to the end of this video, it will have the old ignition coil still in it. So there you have it, guys. 3 awesome tools, 2 by Ditex, the relative compression tester and the CarScope Viso. Just please note that this CarScope Viso does a relative compression test as well. But the CarScope eye tester is actually really handy and portable, and I can carry it around everywhere. And the GTC505, very, very handy tools for a decent cost, and you just confirmed this engine misfire. Thanks for watching, guys, and like I said in previous videos, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Would really appreciate it, and thank you for supporting my channel.